want you to know that the tender engines in my movie will no longer have their tenders. Just for this movie. Coming soon to YouTube. The engines will find out Thomas's secret. Edward, I just saw Thomas at the scrapyard yesterday with Diesel. No way, Percy. Why would he even go to the scrapyard? Diesel sent him to kidnap engines. Really? I passed by the scrapyard when I was pulling the mail train. Edward? We have reported that the railway is gaining less engines. Missing people are Edward, young Bow, James the shiny red engine, Toby, and Henry. If another engine gets captured again, the railway will have to shut down. Welcome, Agent Thomas. Hello, Diesel. Ready to capture some more engines? I'm on it. No more railway to be seen. All the engines are sleeping in the sheds. Who can we capture? I will capture Edward's Adventures. Revenge of Thomas the Tank Engine. Coming soon.